Our second question is, the specific heat capacity of metallic mercury is 0.138. If 100 joules of heat is added to 100 grams sample of mercury at 25 degrees, what is the final temperature of the mercury? So again, we're going to start by finding our variables. So my little c is going to equal to 0.138, and my mass is 100 grams, and my heat change is equal to positive 100 joules, and that is because the energy is added, so that means the energy is consumed, therefore our heat change value is going to be positive. Now I want to find my delta T value. I need to move my C and M to the other side of the equation. Therefore delta T is going to equal to Q over C times M. Now I'm just going to plug in the values. 100 over 0.138 times 100. Now I can cancel these out, and my final answer will equal to 7.246. Now this is my amount of delta T. I want to find the final temperature, and I know that my initial temperature is 25, and we know that delta T equals T of F, which is the final temperature, minus T of I, which is the initial temperature. Therefore, my final temperature is going to equal to my delta T plus the T of I, which is going to equal to 7.246 degrees plus 25 degrees, which is going to equal to 32.246 degrees. And that is our final answer. Our last question is, what mass of water can be heated from 25 degrees to 50 degrees by the addition of 2825 joules? I'm going to start off by finding the variables. Now our Q is equal to positive 2825 joules, and my specific heat capacity of water is going to be 4.2 times 10 to the power of 3 joules per kilogram per Celsius. Now we need to figure it out by looking at our data table, and my delta T is going to equal to 25 degrees, so basically 50 minus 25. And I want to find my mass, so I know that my formula is Q equal to C times M times delta T. Now I have to move my C and delta T to the other side. Therefore M equals to Q over C times delta T. Therefore my mass equals 2825 over 4.2 times 10 to the power of 3 times 25, which is going to equal to 0.0269, and it is going to be in kilograms since my specific heat capacity is in joules per kilograms. Now the question doesn't ask me to give the mass in any certain units, so I can give it just in kilograms because it corresponds with the mass of the specific heat capacity. And that is our final answer. Thank you for watching, guys.